Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the 2025 Detroit Autorama and I came across a very cool 1939 Ford I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it. Man, I really like this car. It just really has a good look. I like the color that they chose. I like the accent color. I like the stacked injection. It doesn't have a hood. And I think that's what held it back at Detroit because it's a very nice car. I just think that at the end of the day, I don't think it's a written rule, but they want you to have a hood. Even if you're not going to run it, even if you're not going to, use it, something to sit there, close it up, That's just my opinion. I'm not a judge, I don't know. But I like it the way it is. A ton of work, of course, a lot of work done to the body. It's a red mist tri-coat color. I thought was just beautiful, looked great. And again, they call that a champagne. That gold, that copper color, those two colors is really, to me, rock and roll. I like the color of the interior. It's simple in there. The bench seat. So many times you see them where they'll have buckets, but I don't mind it. Bench seat looks good. Trunk done very nicely. The whole car done really nice. I like the wheel choice. I like how the exhaust comes out of the front fender. And that's one of those things that if it's not done right, it looks like it's been hacked. That was done right, of course, up underneath. Now, what's listed as a stock 39 frame that was custom fabricated. So my guess is what they're trying to say there is the dimensions and all the same of a stock frame, but obviously it's all been redone, tube chassis kind of a thing. Again, just beautiful up underneath there. And I don't really see anything that's stopping you from driving this one. Although it's an ultra nice car, I'd want to show it for a year or two. But after that, I think this is one that you can get in and put the key in and take it to a cruise in, take your lady out on Saturday night, whatever you want to do. I see no reason you can't drive that one. And to me, it doesn't matter, because I get the comments all the time about how it's a trailer queen. And listen, a custom car is much cooler than a painting on a wall. And if it's nothing more than just art, then I'm cool with that. I love how they did that grill in the front. I don't think them lights are stock. I could be wrong about all that, you know me, all I know is cool. But if that is stock, they did a really nice job on making it look custom. And if it is custom, they did a very nice job on what they chose to put in there. It's got a 468 big block Chevy, 8 stacked injection, downdraft Webers, 871 supercharger, plenty of horsepower. Wish it was a Ford, of course. Wheels, Boz, alloys, 19 by 12s in the back and 17 by 8 in the front. Very cleanly installed. I like that. Again, I just wish it was a Ford, but hey, it's not my car. I didn't build it. I just had the pleasure of shooting a video. And I think the guy's name was Lenny. I could be wrong. But anyways, what a nice kid. He thought I was Bobby Alloway. That's funny. Huh? Yeah. I don't know how you would ever get that confused. And that's never happened before, and I would be willing to bet it would never happen again. But it's okay, brother. I understand. He's a big fan of the channel, watched the interviews I did with Bobby, and I guess when I showed up, he wasn't expecting it, and I caught him a little off guard. But you build a cool car, keep up the good work. I really dig it. One of my favorites from Detroit. So there you go, from the 2025 Detroit Autorama, a very cool 1939 Ford Deluxe coupe. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.